Now you're gonna pay.
You hear that?
What do you mean? Titan Cameraman G-Man is coming to the base.
Alright, I'll get the other Titans.
Yeah, what do you need?
Well, G-Man is coming to the base.
Let's kill him.
Everyone get out of base 01.
Guys, I need to get repaired while we have time.
Okay, bet I'll help you. Oh, God.
Time to die.
Dude Titan Speaker Man is about to die.
Oh God, that's bad. I'll call Titanfman.
Not my problem.
Oh no.
Titan Speaker is doomed.
Hey, stop that right now.
And what are you gonna do about it?
Kill you.
No!
To die.
Damn, bro, burnt.
Dude, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah, we gotta run.
Time to die.
I think someone is here.
For G toilet.
Buddy, you're stupid. Yeah, I'm here.
Oh crap.
How I have glasses.
You're stupid.
At the Astro base.
Let's get the Titan.
Okay.
In the desert.
I'll get you back to your base.
Hey y'all, I'm back.
Yes.
Get out of this world.
Nah. I feel bad for you.
I'm still hurt, it doesn't matter.
Hey, what's that?
Wait, what's that?
Oh no.
Hi, I'm Titan, Phone Man.
So who are you?
The Titan Phone Man.
Wait, a new race.
Yeah.
It's time.
What the?
My bad.
It's okay.
Great. Where are they from? get some pencil sharpeners. We're going there, but not before researching.
Look. Oh, no.